Fortune, aka Forge.
She's mad.
Ready?
Sharp fan,
Sharp, man. Yeah, no. Thank you for kuzwakala, man. Yes.
Kubonga mina forever mina brother.
Yazukutshela ivara. Wena bengisho uzokuthola maybe tisibone manje ngidala ngabe ngizongithola next year. Ithi ngamjahe la bayithi ngamjahe. Or bengisho ukuthi ngizokuthola maybe towards all right. Somewhere there about October or November, yeah, because never know, maybe sometimes about the going to push kancane, but luckily because of your skin span, so I'm sure you knew which everything is over sharp.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be a proper thing, I know.
Yeah, so as in before Safer, so just a quick brief about yourself, or especially was. Just a quick brief.
All right, Fortune Wagas Kosana, born Lion Shanga. Raised Lime Shanga, and I'm a DJ, I'm a promoter, I'm a dad, I'm a husband. Short that.
Yeah. In terms of what you I'm a dad, I'm a husband. Yeah. It's like I'm jealous. That's it. Didn't let the language I'm a teacher like us. Who want to teach you? The first DJ, because I'm teaching Kalogo was from Boma 2006. I'm asking Kaleni didn't like in Kumala Pagat, not Guandebel. It's probably let's see again because Kabamu shakes, Kabanga Duda, and Kabanga Philip and Kabanga most lava say my days.
I'd say, because I remember Tina Masakula. Umuntu who was there over a gamer with dog.
Yeah.
We came after a dog.
Oh, plus already going to be repeating a sound, Yeah. The time I see that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So he might be the first one.
Yeah.
And then okay, then maybe after that, Ustuwa, Konane.
Yeah, Ustuwa dog. I think they
came,
like visiting is courtesy one, because remember there was Kumbula, my freshest bowler,
oh yeah.
Technicon,
Namasolantis,
yeah. They used to be part of that. Dog, cool food, let's just cut.
It's just that because of Mrs. Saint Wanang and Catlers, then I check with you, or one of a teacher, or one of inside. Pelving and the check it, and it's just the sound. Yeah, or what you can mix you are what being as check your English. To be honest, I don't think check from the time I was shakes.
Actually,
yeah. Like us, I'm not sure. It's Arab. It was Wena, not dog, no stew. So didn't let the language because we are like us. Bengas name teaching three. Marang telling is Mara. I wonder what one or color between one or three. A carabin come out maybe about stew, but since stew or road. But I was like, nah, Marayazin. You never know. Maybe it could be between one and not dog.
Yeah.
Because now we find teacher as a one book easy. So quite up like doing using a camera straight.
So actually, I think good dog or because what I know is I wouldn't say Muntu Wankelezisa DJ. Ushakes. I used to fucking love Ushakes. Oh, language.
Yeah.
I used to love Ushakes. Ushakes Vele. He's one of my inspirations via DJ. I understand.
Yeah.
Like a blind. I understand. So, Vele nga mangeskila tertiary.
Yeah.
Mangeskila tatimalium kero ngibeka nga patala DJ course.
Yeah.
And then ngatshela no ladies to Tenzenjalo. Ladies also did that, but ladies was in Pretoria. I mean, having Jews.
Yeah, I remember.
So that's when it started.
So should we now tell ladies I answer the question? Should we already when was so picturing what has in the day nang sharp so the Benjamin and Milway sharp and then
no, ironically enough, I've been talking already.
Yeah.
The slow seat and the so Milamang. Man enroll ang ada DJ Mix Lab. You know, enroll in multiracial level.
Yeah.
Then.
Yes. Oh. So okay. I remember at that time, if I'm not wrong, Shakes was the most popular DJ in Alenkatle.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, if I like so relieve, so keep my age way to find out. There's nothing it's a funny one. And nothing it's a grand man. I feel like Shakes got to the credit enough because he does it in Alenkatle.
Yeah, he's been there, Shakes.
Yeah.
Shakes was the man.
Because there was a time for me, especially from Ikwaha up until Mhlanga. There was a time la nakubane event corner whether a party say let's say 21st or whatever, 12 or my 16th birthday, whatever nje.
Shakes were made.
Yeah. Like I knew ukuthi if Shakes akekho we are mara like starting. But now it's about to Shakes corner that. So yeah, because of I guess this thing list of teacher like it la bese say new and ukumbona the manenza that very tuna ngalenkathlezo. Yes.
Yeah, it was Shakes in the Shakes was the man. I remember at some point.
Yeah.
Lazung shaka khona kakhulu. Akhumula sahamba ama fountain.
Yeah.
Akana tafu ubeke yonke into pass.
Yeah.
Atijaya kucile la bro. That guy passion for the thing. Okay, he still has. But then he was pushing hard. And I wouldn't say ngapha kandebele kuphela. Even Pretoria. Yeah. It was Shakes was.
I was curious to push because of Larry era before social media.
Shakes was pushing very hard.
Yeah. And then okay, so shoot kira village just after that. Like your teacher.
Yeah. It started there.
Yeah.
And Snow Ladies we Sakhohlisa abazali, it was Tengeli Sound.
Yeah.
Brought us down. And we did our first show, remember?
Yeah.
Lila Flying wasenzela lona.
Yeah. That's in because I might be wrong. I'm probably the first person who Shaila.
Not probably. Yeah. Definitely were the first person.
Yeah.
Senzeli flyer. I remember we printer good Jeanette or something.
Yeah. We like us
now. Printer good Jeanette, senzeli ulweni.
Yeah.
And got paid.
Yeah. Here, phela lapho sikhuluma before era social media. So umuntu uyazibuza ukuthi uyigcwalisa kanjani iholo ngalenkatlezo.
It's just flyers.
Yeah.
Flyers and lapho ke no one knew ukuthi siya DJ.
Yeah.
Like literally no one knew ukuthi amajita ayadlala.
Yeah.
Just body sound. Satora chap swenzi event olweni. I can't remember what was the price. I think it was $20 or 10 rand. Ngikhumbula.
Yeah.
Sagcwalisa iholo sabiza the guys from Jozi, from Pitori, la bebakeleza no ladies, la bebakeleza nami. I remember also Dave Skins. Dave Skins is one of the biggest team tech DJs we have in the country right now. But he was our lecturer.
Yeah.
So he came. It was okay. So it was a proper event.
Azange ukeleza no Shimza.
No, Shimza Gonzagalin. He came after, before me or after me, I can't remember. Yeah, in Njalo, but Sahlangana and that's how we became friends.
Okay, I don't know but I might be wrong. I was between 2008 and 2009, somewhere like that.
What I remember, but then when he blew up Benyengome, it was 2008.
All right.
I remember that the competition.
Oh, yeah.
But I couldn't because of I understand. And the judges, it was Cisco our friend, now Deep Skins long
yeah.
So yeah.
Kunamanye mana makiki around wakhona ngi31. But I think bekasha yenye out here say garage. I might be wrong.
Brazil.
Ngikhumbula lawo mina like before before nizo DJ and stuff. Ngikhumbula lawo. And then once in a while bekuba nama event stadium, yabona. But because of a singntwana, mina I assume ukuthi me abantu bangaphandle bazopusha dealing lezikazi and then maybe banifaka yabona dana la. But azange ngicabanga ukuthi amagigi abantu bala ikazi bawapusha. Yabona. Because mina ukhumbula kwami into ezibhaye I guess ukubuya la ikazi. Thina ngilezingalo ukuzibona kuwe no dog no Stuba.
Yeah.
But I was not aware ukuthi ezinye izinto bezivele senzeka before and angazi why manje iyacakathile ngilokho namanje because sonke lesikhathi sami like thina ngilezi zonke izicalo ngofosh la ikazi.
Not necessarily. I'd say okay, uPrazaf bengayenza le ngi31 but enhle mina le ngi31 bengayikhumbula ukuthi bekuba nesound la vele sibloma.
Yeah, well that's why ngithi kuba intwana because of phela la ngathi sibloma bekuba nale container le maybe ye brand nyana.
Yeah.
Let's say we Castlelight or something and then say why up until yabona. But mina ukubona abantu bamix sebenzana like us. Lo mina ngicela ukunotice after. Yabona. Yeah, okay, even nase la technical the time kune technical like us la bekuna wana magigi but lawo bengawana kangako because I was like izinto zesigela mibabiza abantu bangaphandle bazoshaya dealing lezi mina umuntu engibona khula like us achuna dealing lezi ngacela ukubona ngani so I assumed ukuthi dealing zonke lezi ziqale maybe after 2006 or 7 into ngisuke ngayicabanga I thought before abantu bangaphandle babone opportunity guys and then bazochuna dealing lezi la.
Yeah. Oh, yona skijimile ngayo.
Yeah.
No lies. Skijimile ngayo and obviously akumelanga start credit kuphela.
Yeah.
There's the likes of Abu Mathulela.com.
Yeah.
They push the culture as well.
Blind.
They push the culture blind amagents, I understand. Beziwa la.
Yo, imagine.
You understand?
Imagine khona manje like bathina.com khona manje ngale ntwana lezi ma 2000 no.
You understand? So much that I push the blind culture now. And before then there's the likes of there's a company called Sivia Productions. They the ones who went on a festival like I.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those were the biggest shows we had in Gwandebele.
Yes. So angitshela ke asibele kule course yakho DJ na. Was it just DJ kuphela or maybe involved no producer and stuff?
Mfana production, you know. Actually, it was DJ kuphela, but I was pushed to it end that funa in production, but I was not.
Yeah.
Production, I understand. And mind you, I used to play keyboard at church. Like I'm good with keys, ni sharp, mara. I zangi check production, I zangi tande vele. I only got. Stop Msani, we only got interested in production when did we release our first single? I think 3 years back.
After COVID, ne?
Yeah, after COVID.
Okay, yeah.
That's when we decided to man, it is big into production. That's then when we do that, pulled us with that jet.
Yeah.
I sense it into so.
Yeah, because from saying Tangwazi, who surrounded by a lot of influential people around Gwandebele, or even as a Jews, especially Wagu music. Then it's with Mara. Why at least Tungazamuti Ungeno production? Because I'm 100% sure. Good lava Bagagnet to Ungen, the way you Fungan.
I mean, that's true. The way you check on a corner, it's. You see when life is leading you to a certain thing, it's the thing.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
I mean, Magmele ends the production because Benzo ends, but clearly this events thing into Magmele I understand.
Yeah.
Because there's guys who's been DJing for the longest time, but then Muntoko Nazange against the event.
Yeah.
So one thing we seen amachita kune DJ kune promoter.
Yeah.
I would say we DJ automatically so we convince an event.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's this thing is very complex. Yeah, complex. You understand?
Yeah. Yo, because especially in Catlezo, and I think it's available in 2010, 2009, somewhere there. I'm like, popular blind, I'm like, if you keep a signal man about sharp, and when I don't have unlike about this, track of Megilla Konalana, Pela, Randa, one day, so he's okay, why am I so a Pela just for pushing a gun? But no, now Kuluma, it makes sense because as long as Kuma anything on music, it's just that interview is boozer.
Yeah.
So shoot Vele from the start, for interview was DJ, no Shama events.
DJ. Let me say DJ. And then I remember Esplomi, the Cornelius. There's a guy called Sean.
Okay.
He's in Amsterdam now.
Yeah.
He does this lama event la. Lama event Sean. I think they also picked that side. Sean mentioned the quickest way to make money in this industry is to do an event.
Okay.
Ne?
Yeah.
Obviously, at the end of the day, yes, it's love, but at the end of the day, in your group,
yeah.
And then that's when he advised me with the I've never seen anything. Lapo, yes, but Kichiman, social media, we call MySpace.
Hey.
Yeah, there's Kichiman in MySpace.
Yeah.
We should do this to reveal.
Because as you talk Kalanga, I'm maybe I'm glad I was part of that generation. Because I feel like I'm the first this, the first that. Like us, it's that generation. Yeah. The first DJ, the first what. I swank about the first brand, young toilet.
Yeah.
I feel like it's that generation. Even though it's into but I feel like the generation and the after 90s, 2000s, Babe inspired by Israel's season.
What we did.
Exactly. When I was to another level, but if Azang is never know, it was by Azang.
So that's when the us making events started to die. We've got sound.
Okay.
It's not only venue. As Boone.
Yeah.
And obviously, so you tell us as much as
yeah.
But then emergence obviously you go and
yeah.
They fall out of love.
Like la company or
definitely. It was the Loudmouth Productions.
Oh, so they call it SC group.
Yes, it was me, it was PO ladies.
Oh, what did repel?
Yeah, it was Trick Pair.
Okay. I thought it just spices I changed him going. I thought Loudmouth is already after. Because I when in company. Except Loudmouth.
No. It was okay. When we did that first event, Loudmouth didn't exist. Yeah. No, we can't. We did it through Loudmouth because I remember the other boy in Zile.
Oh yeah, being a local coin.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah. The logo that was a top logo. I hope I paid the logo to just put in Fagala with the boy. I mean, it's coming logo 2006-7.
Yeah, do I look for it?
Yeah. So whoever designing like that, I shame that. Alice cut lezo. You look at playing that song. Yo. In fact, very from talent that when it comes to branding,
yeah, no, I've. Yeah, but I mean, I believe in one thing. Okay, with earlier on, this cool man would say, I don't believe in that thing, dog.
Yeah.
Me, I believe with Smawians.
Yeah.
Go hard.
Yeah.
I'm impatient. Impatient, blind, and when I do something and it doesn't work out, like I get demoralized, blind. So now I'm a flyer.
Yeah.
Luckily, I was at a Love is Gelezalakon, the DJ writing. It was a proper thingy.
Yeah.
There was a DJ thingy, production, arts. Yongi dora visual. So you kunalo batuban Mika Stephanie.
Oh yeah.
Mika was the one we got writing bigger senzela mara. So I just go to office like Mika. I say man, ngenzeli fly.
Okay. From a scale.
From a scale, yeah.
Yeah, man. Because I remember. So didn't discuss zongo coming from CCS scale, Yeah, because I remember another time now Pelela unchelang fly. Being CCS scale. I'm not sure if being is a elastic or what, but being CCS scale.
Yeah, business scale. So business scale.
Now that I think about it, it's only CCS scale. That is now with the era very important.
No, it was I think it's Gulas Telecom, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gulas Telecom.
Because when Spencer and not talk, because I remember talk who was landed on my flyer, my also on the fleeting lamb. Mara, didn't bring a taxi because it was something I'm very new. Based on the pairing and I wanted to see cars. Up until even Nisha, I was like, wait, didn't lay in the like us. you must understand, before then, bese sijwayele ukuthi nasiya kuma-gigs, siyakujasa kuma-21st.
Yeah, they said to my 21st.
Yeah, I'm a 21st, 16th birthday, whatever, my graduation.
Yeah.
Now, for the first time, there's like a proper gig. It's just a gig and a concept. And saying to then I was like, yo, because I hope I will be in.
And remember, starting to choose.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was very difficult to do.
Yeah.
Because I even remember what was the name of the event? I think it was Slippery and Wet or something.
Yeah. Because they look the poster on it
was Slippery and Wet.
Yeah.
So I mean, I how we pulled that number. Blind, Joe.
Blind. And I don't think about because I'm about event about
it's not the first time.
Emma, the one lay, was it lockdown or something? Is it the same event like play coffee?
Which one?
Lockdown, big my t-shirt orange. My t-shirt orange because of function now.
That's another one.
Yeah.
That's another one.
That concept. Yeah. That concept.
Yeah, that was proper. That was for lockdown now. Yeah.
What was the concept there?
But to be honest, I joined the concept.
Yeah. To
be honest,
yeah.
Like I'm telling you, we had a big designer chair. Okay, yeah. Big designer. So Magapizi yenzela abantu, obviously bekenzela abaklapha like Calabash.
Yeah.
All the clubs in the Lejos.
Yeah.
So ngibone la idea about that concept ngidamani ligama selithatha.
Yeah.
Ngisithathe ligama lockdown party.
Yeah.
Enezawa true.
Yeah, yo. Blind. Mina wangihlala ngicabangela phambili. I'm like, but Timas Lavekas ba away with Narim Spenzan because of if bengekho. I don't know who would think to solve the Kalanika.
Yeah.
Like no get out now. I want. In fact, not just when I know ladies no speak pelang, but even a machitako, Lavi Belaneta. So because I guess should be a believer plan because Nekari I thought could no get because when by plan, I thought no get kneel on our street.
Yeah.
But now Kulang should be but I see that's a machita.
Yeah, I've always been a fan in Nenchant. I mean, a very like whatever I do, the gents support me 100 on top. Like blind. Jengu show from back in the days.
Yeah.
I'm a gents valley.
Yeah.
100%.
In fact, as focus got cool man was pure guys. Because the man at some point years manager.
Yeah, manage.
Menang those at that age. You were probably the only teacher who began to manage and like class. If you give a book, part of Anna events management company, but okay, let's total forge. So figuring out very action for Komaka when I die. The man is coming manager. I was like, I don't force over your living. But I was impressed. But what I was impressed. I was like, hey, yeah, no, the man coming in a pambi. Blind, Latina, let's go chica. So the man second manage. Sissing to another so.
Then we had a goal, final shoes.
Yeah.
We had a goal. I remember we had an office, obviously to be like a study room.
Yeah.
A proper desk there.
Yeah.
Cinema effects.
Yeah.
Effects, the timer 70 or
yeah.
Landline.
Yeah.
Desktop there. Then we had a plan. We had a plan blind there.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know what happened, but it was moving.
I think so. I painted just a picture for what I do. Let's go back to available 82,000 sharp organized event. What was the play?
Yeah. Okay. It's Because Leia is a fair. I can't remember how we started.
Let's say I say we lockdown. Let's say lockdown.
No, let's go to the black coffee one.
Okay, yeah, black coffee. Yeah.
Okay, Nyangume, ne?
Yeah.
Nyambui.
Yeah.
Mangboy. I don't know who spread the word. Ukuthi Mangboya Nyosha event.
Yeah.
Blind like
Yeah.
I can't remember if you were there. Blind.
Now we come. Isn't that the one Lebanese with tennis court?
That was the one after my Sunday pleasures.
Oh.
Yeah.
But it was the same weekend.
It was not the same weekend. So this is what happened, ne? So Ngwengumi.
Yeah.
Masohlabe guy. Ugcwele, split ugcwele.
Yeah.
So Mora Chapin Klabe Pele. Part the Vigi. Ni multiracial.
Yeah.
So this is what Amachita did. I need beside Lama Vaina by
Yeah.
So every shipment again.
Yeah.
I need coming. Yeah. So back begel with a fortune would love this. Back begel.
Yeah.
Tali mix club, new mamel or whatever I like.
Yeah.
Buy. So ni multiracial.
Yeah.
When we get to multiracial Urovik.
Yeah.
Orla Rovik.
Yeah.
Deep, I'm Kumbula, wasn't
it? Yeah.
Rovik, everyone young Jablele, Will, so Rovik says, man, let's go a welcome back party.
Okay, we got corner night.
Yeah.
We got corner that. Should didn't decide if
yeah, I understand. Let's go a lockdown party. Not a lockdown, a welcome back party for you.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, what do you have in mind? And then, Upleko Vegas Panimal Tereshal, by the way.
Yeah.
If anyone doesn't know. No, let's.
Yeah, okay.
Spooky unta.
Yeah.
I'm like, hey, serious?
Yeah.
Ovufuna mali na someone to week ago and that they got to Kupai his first album was it noise le the remixing of my freshly ground.
Yeah, Kumbule just
yeah, but I thought the Valerie was pumping by then.
Yeah, I'd like actually I'd like to call it.
Yeah. So Black Coffee agrees. Yeah, at some time for new ladies. In that, so. Ladies are story.
Yeah.
For new pure story. Oh, I think the not being is pure.
Yeah.
To ladies.
Yeah.
I might be wrong, but yeah.
Yeah.
For new lady.
Yeah.
I already did all right sharp. I already sky my deposit. Special Black Coffee.
Yeah.
Fly design a corner like multiracial.
Yeah.
So now, Funega, Joal, I think. Yeah, Joal, I was gonna sell alcohol and Ukabo was the guy.
Oh, yeah.
No lev, El Diva.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I think they assisted in the Venihas.
Yeah.
Sound, we used our own. So it was not much, man.
Yeah.
We were, because I'm a fly, I think I printed Konara.
Yeah.
I remember Swalanda Gurowik in Hambani old lady. Yeah, it was not much, man. I beg no funny, no.
Yeah.
Whereby you have.
Yeah.
Planet, I understand. You just decide we're at shops to Lona.
Yeah.
And then Kichimana right there.
Are you aware with both people and Galingatles? Around Lavan, are you aware?
I know. I will blind.
Yeah.
Because I'm not putting spin up on what all about.
Yeah.
There was a point where Ngamba no do that every weekend.
Yeah.
Mama book no do that. Okay, ladies because a skill like it.
Yeah.
Mama book no do that no syndicate.
Yeah.
Like bana betting a lad.
Yeah.
Betting a lad. So you know Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
And not only Pelela, Figalesi, Buswa.
Yeah.
To a Makasla Wangara.
Yeah.
So we're pushing up until there.
Like, what syndicate was he like the first person to DJ 92?
The first person in Glenn.
Oh, serious?
Yeah.
Okay, but I didn't got less of young Anaka.
Yeah, that's Anaka. Actually, since no, we heard it.
Another name. Singayazi thina.
Yeah.
Lini.
No, yeah, we had the name, I can't remember. We double trouble. Double trouble. Yeah. So, and I mean, because last week I think he remembers why we decided to play Say2.
Yeah.
It's either at this book for Say2 at a certain event.
Yeah.
And his card versus Shaya. And then we decided to let's play it back to back.
Oh yeah.
I can't remember about Maritonya Ninja, but I think that's why we decided with this game Say2 and
so whatever event la teacher corner, I'm assuming good vele ban enjoy a blind into this idea.
Yeah, I'd say it's a complimentary. Dumsani is more of a Tandi vocal thing, right?
Yeah.
Tandi vocal blind. And Mina more of a deep tech person, right?
Yeah.
Maramas game Say2.
Yeah.
We make it away with it.
Yeah.
Listen to school misa.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So angeka yephezulu ngapha ngephansi. So maka yaphezulu na imele ni or manya yaphezulu na imele.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay, before Spuma go Loudmouth. Are there any other events nyalo okhumbulayo wala enkatlezo or usise prior ngawo fanda kina ashaya isi Loudmouth?
Ashaya Loudmouth. Yeah. The only one. Oh yeah, no, definitely. Leia tennis court. That was something else. Leia tennis court. That was something.
Being Sunday, so being Sunday, ne?
Yeah. My Sunday pleasures.
Yo. Also, my Sunday pleasures are
yeah, dog.
Yes.
No, actually, I was kalangara. My Sunday pleasures. It was. All ladies came up with a name. I think Bengmele since the would be Kunje ngara move a style. Rock stage. Yeah. Science event, and two ladies came up with a concept.
Yeah.
What's I think Friday pleasures or something.
Yeah.
Because this thing was on a Sunday.
Yeah.
There's a tennis court.
Yeah.
I think Sawabiza Sunday, Sapine Sawabiza. So this pleasures thingy.
Yeah.
It's something that came up no ladies,
yeah.
Because it was on a Friday.
Yeah.
On Sunday and then Science Ale riding. That one was proper. One of the black coffee one was okay. It was sharp, ne?
Yeah.
I remember we had a situation whereby people don't believe to play coffee as well.
I won't lie, yes. I was like, Siza support ngoba zasekazi mara uplay coffee la.
Abantu bagcwele KTD abafuna ukupatela.
Yeah.
Dog. You won't believe what we had to do so that people come in, dog. Samcela untanga ku taxi. Oh,
I remember.
Bebane style sokuthi bahlala egarage abantu ngama event yakho.
Yeah.
We had to ukuthi sitshela uplay coffee ukuthi mzala jike garage.
Oh, buy something yana.
Buy something.
Yeah.
Hayi garage athenga amanzi bro.
Yeah.
Makabuya.
Yeah. Okay, wena zange wadlala ngale kaDlets konje. Into angazuthi my team view ivaleni. But that time my team kusese my team view yase Mateus azange wadlala.
No, in Mountain View I've played in the place like Konara as a club. But I've never played in my event in Wake with Storm.
Okay.
Because Storm had the dopest events.
Yeah.
Because I remember. I was Fresh,
hey.
Java.
Yeah.
I had Ukanunu played for the first time there.
Yeah.
Kanunu was dope, man. You understand? So Storm we were pushing culture in my events.
Yeah.
And obviously, Uguya. Yabanjwa Menjuru.
Wasekwaha.
Yeah, he's the guy who mentored me.
Yeah.
For events. Clean. Actually, nothing can lose anything.
Yeah.
The first place where that's why I hold blind. Yeah, played a very important role in my career in whatever I'm doing right now. Ihrutman has always been because game I think bengidlale Dinamo. Kusadlalela kulela first day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ngame right now. So I think Sports Syndicate besuke Dinamo, Syndicate had to go play there.
Okay.
Because the Spansikariam, Goldfield Green.
Yeah.
Sayara, and then we played 1-on-1. Hey, we killed it then, Bana. We killed it. But yeah. So it was that was the only time I played with Storm.
Yo, man, mina yazi ngathi ngambuza inhle ukuthi angitshela ukuthi survive kanjani iDinamo for so many years.
Consistency, my brother.
Yo, phela manje I might be wrong, but I think ilanda about 20 years. iDinamo operate.
Dali khona Joe.
And not even once. Ngake ngezwa bathi boma 6-7 months ivaliwe. Maybe bekwenza ngakunaki lokho. I don't know. But I think that's the longest club or pub esinayo kwaNdebele elastile plan.
Yeah, Edgar has been there. He's been there.
Yeah. Now ucabanga yini into ayenza different compared to maybe eziyindawo. Not just la kwaNdebele anyway nje ucabanga yini into ayenzayo for yena ukuthi understand ucabanga.
Hey, mana, I don't know.
Yeah,
I think consistency.
Yeah.
Consistency. Umjida is consistent. Umjida put his customers first.
Yeah.
Umjida is willing to learn.
Yeah.
Bangotshapeka. Ucoli jo. Okay, no see, but think it way too.
Yeah, way too, yeah.
They literally go out buying a pan.
Yeah.
But checking down. Bahambe bazo.
Okay, but you okay, but
yes, improve kanjani. Bazoyenza ngayiso.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
And like you there's no point whereby uzobona uSipho uphuma ngara officeini ukwatilo nini. It's like interacting with everyone, you understand?
Yeah.
Like everyone ukhuluma naye uyala azange ngibone uSipho kwatilo.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So I think that man lumjita jo I think mila balincwadi lumjita just I know it's in his own ways yafika nami ngizamile bro wami ngimthunzini but it's inzima lento yokurun indawo bro ayikancane inzima kakhulu.
Fortune's birthday,
what happened? We just decided, man, let's do birthday party at Dinamo. There's no explanation, solid.
Yeah.
Through your we just decided with that, say, dude, your birthday is coming up as shy birthday party.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, and we modeled
I might be wrong, but I tell you from Lapa and then I turn out to be all black, ne?
I tell you that, ne?
Yeah.
I think it happened there. Okay, I stopped Anyana 2 minutes. And then my sis William Tunzin. And then that's when it turned into all black.
Yeah. So before Tunzini, before Wonkelokane, yipi like birthday party when you kumbulayo or like
Yes.
I just don't remember what question of football now.
Yes,
because the only thing you kumbula, kumbula masetweni kuphela. Yeah.
Was on the lineup there.
But I don't think it was stress cool on my headline, especially on my birthday party work.
Yeah, no. But who was on the lineup there? It was the icon, we in the headline. Infinite Boys.
Oh,
yeah. We had Infinite Boys on the lineup there.
Yeah,
we had, I can't remember who else, but yeah, we had.
Actually, I was shining in suit silver, that's all.
It could,
yeah. I was like such a channel camera. I could with that, but then you picture shining a suit and silver black or something. I'm like,
Yeah, I don't know who we photograph.
I wouldn't say I was a photographer, but then Chiga and a camera and phone.
I remember you had a silver camera, small one.
Hey.
Yeah, no, that's the lesson it was proper because I remember the production like the slow system.
Yeah.
Never screen, but the screen now. Remember?
Yeah, I remember. Yo. Tunzine?
Yeah. It's another part of my life, dog.
Yeah.
Okay. In Tunzini, Tsunzini implement smash unta.
Yeah.
Hey my man, let's asivule la with you.
Yeah.
Yabo. So Linzansi. So check his sport. Yeah, man, indawo singayilala.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. What are we gonna call it? Sploming upon the slash. So
Yeah.
Slash, almost like. Sploming upon the slash. And smash this. Dang, it's busy between Z. Okay.
Can I smash like
Yeah, I was smash. You understand?
Yeah.
Dang, it's busy between Z.
Yeah.
That's when it started, and then, obviously, when you have a dream, was a jelly media.
Yeah.
It's true. People into that so.
Yeah.
Right, sharp. Any pet minimal, I feel like me the figure call.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, well, so Homozo decides to go to let's partner with him.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, right, sharp eye, Gonzagalayo, and then Tunzini happens.
Yeah.
The rest was history.
Yeah. 2013. If I might be wrong, 2013, eh? Because spring, summer, gas 2013, and then Scotland was Shalagida.
Yeah, no, Tunzini was pushing.
I thought it was not a pleasure. I knew Ngaleka before, but I thought the concept which we Spanish are serious.
Actually, Kalugi teaching is serious because the first Sunday pleasure, okay, after that one, as a tennis court, was the launch.
Yeah.
In Tunzini.
Yeah.
13 October.
Yeah.
2013.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the first launch.
And before your pambi, you know, into a jump in the buyer is that Pelangan Catholics are so pushing to buyer and over villas over so you hurt man as a kasi, who for any generation. Most of the time it becomes difficult for Amakrotman or Sikas would he nothing any generation, but couldn't buy accept. Have a Spanish sometimes not really Spanish now. But I mean, Nankumaga so Kumang menthol.
Yeah.
Menthol, even before 2013, I think 2009, 10, I think 10, if from Kumalaga, let's cut a P squared. Menthol was the one really like us. Young Lankumang DJ, very before my geek and stuff, Kumang DJ. And at time I was worried with Ish, planning man. I was worried with he, Bazoka support away too, or any generations of Filangati at it, and so on fair plans, forge. And then each generation, I mean, told Bazoti, Tina, hero age. Fortunes are scholars, let's move on to the pen. But something weird happened, Lapa. It can't spend support on you too. Blind. I think now 40 players is very easy. It's because sometimes someone born on you too.
Spilasi too. Blind. Spilasi too. And give me no mentor like now footman, like now Mtuan.
Yeah.
You out here fucked up.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
I know what see you fortune to allow mentoring.
Yeah.
You out here me fucked up. I understand. He's been there for me. I've been there for him.
Yeah.
G man.
Plus, the time up is a P squared and I'm like club on 2010. Baby no look
Yeah, I'm okay. And been collecting a good music.
Yeah.
Yeah. You will supply. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, they don't need number plan. I understand.
No, it feels good to know it's the sort because most of the time, not figure any generation, man. Oh, that's a film so, and then maybe the movies of Filaga so. But I won't lie, like when I couldn't even thought Leo Young has applied. In fact, I thought in future, because when prior I was like, the more so I focus on my politics. I was like, okay, there's a possibility with you to tell any group, no.
Oh yeah.
You're fortunate, I don't know. You know, I
no dog.
Yeah, is it because already obey part of it is by?
Yeah, no, I think. One thing I know is Norman and he loves DJing.
Yeah.
He loves this AOD thing.
Yeah.
We're time the music playing.
Yeah.
Though sometimes he doesn't have much time on his hands. Matter. he makes time bakumele kuyodlala.
Actually, I respect him for when he's cut for winner, especially for that, because 1 minute ungambona abusy ngezinto TV apusha whatever's pushayo, and then a week later or 2 weeks later ngimthola nawe stage somewhere apusha nawe.
Yeah, I understand.
Even though I'm passionate ngadilene, I feel like esibra yakho, I think upusha dilengele kakhulu because of ibra yakhe. No uyazi ukuthi wena nani suka ngokungadilenge.
Yeah. No matter yenqanya naye. Yazi Joe angimkhonule ladies prepares a set before. Akafani na mina just asambili. Ladies we prepare the day before.
Yeah.
Tanga siyodlala into eso.
Yeah.
You understand? Mina.
Yeah.
Ngidlala ukukhona.
Phela nina nisokulama era lawo wonke lawo. Okay, when from kuma final. Yeah.
Now ladies we play finals so.
Yeah. Ngibheke lama changes la kan affect man. Okay, sharp ma finals no. Change no ma CD. No mele lokuhlala uphatha amabheka ama CD. Then sning so kuma USB. Lama changes lawa aka affect iset yakho.
Yeah, affect the plan because here's the situation. Backbooker at a pumping event, but udlala nga 12.
Yeah.
You won't get there and play deep house.
Yeah.
No more happy dog.
Yeah.
It's not now.
Yeah.
Not now.
Yeah.
So we had to make a decision with the Mzala. We must include piano in our sets.
Yo.
You understand?
Must have been tough. This is here for you.
Yeah, dog. Because at the end of the day, you keep mali yako yang buka.
Yeah.
And when I'm not when it's Fortune Galan.
Yeah.
But then you just want the name AOD or the name Fortune on your flyer.
Yeah.
You want me there.
Yeah.
And you also mean man you figure me and people just stare at me. It kills my brand.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
Rather than monkey ziwe bantu bagibele phezulu kwamatafula nami yangiboosta sibantu ukuthi engibulele la. I understand.
Yeah.
So we had to make a decision with eqineni dog, it's music. You understand?
But then phela manje uDJ yabana kufike kuphi manje kufike to a point where I don't know ngoba ang DJ but it feels like the equipment it feels like it's really easy man. Because it seems like wonke umuntu especially ku entertainment nangasazi ukuthi ayenzeni udala. Ithi ngizama
DJ.
Is it that easy?
Mina I wouldn't say it's easy. I see easy writing.
Yeah.
Oh well, the new technology makes it easy because you can simply
Yeah.
But it's not easy.
But then how do you feel about all the influencers bokuthi let's say umuntu akhona popular shop dala uyababooka for ama appearance fee. Dala abafike la abanohlala kuphela bajava kuphela duze no DJ. Sometimes my actors babooka bamaduze ne DJ bayajava or bahlala somewhere ku VIP or bababeka somewhere la wonke umuntu azobabona khona bahafile for that. Now I don't know, it feels like ama promoter bafila ngathi access enough for ukubooka ngale because now most of our influencers la bebenza la le ma DJ manje.
They want to DJ. No, I feel alright, ngaphandle step on anyone's toes. I feel now they're seeing it as an easy way to make money. I understand.
Yeah.
Because abanye nombono ukuthi
no.
I understand no but now bafila ukuthi nyukira
yazi ngizotshuna ngani if bengini ukutesta ukuthi vele umuntu kuyodlala yena or idlala ngisonjani noma shaya deep house ne nawuphuma ngenye ibhakade serious blind ushena ubona ukuthi
they don't even care.
They
don't even care. Umuntu vela ivala aqale phansi. They don't even care because there's a lot that goes behind mixing a song. You don't just get the mix. There's sequencing, there's the timing, with matching. I understand. There's a lot. There's a lot that you need to.
And now it feels like now much ube ne performance kona manje. Not just to mix kuphela. Especially if maybe ufuna ukucharge more or ufuna ungenelela more njana ngizwisisa. It feels like ube ne performance because I see abanye baba nama dancer abanye kuba nama track ukuthi okay nangidlala le track le ngizoyenza 1 2 and 3 la and then yovala ngale noma ngasi track yakhe but so nani ngifila ngathi nani force ukuthi kumele ibe nama performance kancane or nisadlala leyo indlela enjala ngakhona from Duka
the perform mina shaya inamba ngapha bro wami. Ba respond ngara. I understand.
Yeah.
I don't feel like shaya scoop man, shaya scoop and bantu ba respond, read your crowd and talk to your crowd.
Yeah. Kuma MC ne? Udawethu is it like uyoqala usponsor naye?
Yeah.
Blue ne?
Blue.
Oh, Mlungisi.
Yeah, intwana yam Mlungisi.
There was just something special about that man.
My man. That boy.
Yeah. When it comes to my events, you need to kumbulla ngayo.
Intwana yami, man, he was very supportive, my man. Like, you'd swear with Mlungisi was a kaya or something. Like, he was very supportive of anything that I do.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And even booking artists, he contacted buyer.
Yeah.
Being called Mlungisi.
Oh.
Angazi Mlungisi wathola phi abantu nani but contacted buyer being ithola kumlungu. Mlungisi was something else.
Yeah.
I was something else. Mlungisi would call Ukaza no. Ngithi loya kama last year not video call.
Yeah.
Like le ntwana chu. So I'm a contactor buyer ngiwathola ngayo. Like a lot of contacts ngiwathola ngomlungisi. Futhi engage ngindawo. Mlungisi was the shit.
Yes, I plus baby I push a little bit yakho. I push up line. Like I push as if ngathi eyakhe kahle kahle.
I think the first big event I performed Mlungisi. Is a tiara.
Oh yeah. Yebo ayishayo.
And emanyo mfaka ngitshela amathi ntasifake nentana lezi MC.
Yeah,
very reluctant. Ngitexi.
Yeah.
Letoni izoyibulala la ntobo.
Any career ngaka.
Any murdered bra.
So from lapho when I build like a working relationship ngama all black, all white.
I wouldn't say working relationship man. Bekangithatha njengeGrootman lakhe.
Yeah.
Bekangithatha njengeGrootman lakhe and
yeah.
It was way beyond events.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was way beyond that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was very close.
Dawethu?
Udawethu, I think ukuqala kwami kumuzwa. Ngimuzwe ku Fistos.
All right.
KSF, ne?
Yeah.
I was like, ngitanga Ntswamba mos. And yeah, that's when ngajela uMlungisi ukuthi aringe naye.
Yeah.
I'll be part of. I think the first time Spana night it was all black. Net angikhumbuli ke ukuthi all black, but I remember Vixie Wolweni.
It seems like out of my MC work uspanisana nawo ngathi uyo last night kakhulu. Or uyohlala khona kakhulu.
Yeah. Okay. Ngaphandle kokunyathela anyone. I think you know one thing they are getting it wrong.
Yeah.
We all get wrong.
Yeah.
Is one to benchmark on someone.
Yeah.
You understand? So everyone who's doing the MC thing, okay, anyway, there's also Uban Gonch. Nah, she's good.
Umusa. What happened?
Yeah, Untwamba blind. Yeah, Untwamba blind. I need to ask you to one music color between you and Dawethu.
I might be wrong, but I think Umusa.
Yeah.
I think Umusa. But you never know because sometimes maybe it's come events like so when there's a possibility to kuna my event bona somewhere beba vele ba push just that maybe angasi popular kangako just that maybe it's still babona kakhulu kulawo wini.
So reason why Spana no Dawethu kakhulu it's because everyone else who's coming he's doing the same thing that Dawethu is doing.
Yeah.
We understand. Even the voice, we understand. So, agna lobabu creativity, agna awuzwa nix. At some point, mina nyenga bajela the team ukuthi lento ama-MC asikhahleleni because asiboni next. Yabo? Asiboni next. Thathe uDawethu kuphela. Akuna leyana.
Yeah.
But trust me, when Dawethu yabambi mic uzowuza umnyakazo.
I think the timing, man. Dawethu yazi timing yokuthi okay manje
kumele ngibashukumise.
Manje
kumele relax. You understand? So
Oh, that was kanjani uzi-track seyidlala sekunama-vocals and then nangu umuntu
you understand? Now as a DJ you get irritated. Yeah, so what's happening? Sorry.
Yeah.
What's happening is yes, as a promoter, okay, Sinkhumela is a promoter now.
Yeah.
I get it. As a promoter, you need to uplift talent. You understand?
Yeah.
But Leo talent, yona, ignita halfway now. Because at the end of the day, you must know, Uti.
Yeah.
There's people who paid money to buy tickets.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
There you are where now, as a promoter, overfagela someone who's work.
Yeah.
I'm not saying people are work, but it was someone who's work. You understand?
Yeah.
It's not fair on someone who paid money to come to your show.
Yeah.
You understand?
That's what I say lapho. So let's get straight go Fortune's production. Okay, so ngaphandle kwama events, bona my plans for Fortune's production, or was it just my events?
Okay, what we do lately is coordination.
Okay.
Is artist bookings.
Yeah.
You have an event, you want to book an artist, you come to us, then we do that for you.
Yeah.
And then,
What about the sound?
I'm not going back to sound.
Because I've noticed almost every DJ that I know, it play nakho kuthathole sound kube iside hustle. And ngizibuza ukuthi i-risk kangakanani business so.
Yeah. Mina ngalezi zinto engizibonako when I work with guys, ne?
Yeah.
But sound, it needs dedication, it needs a span writing.
Yeah.
I think now, if I'm not letting you show you, there's a DJ, there's a promoter.
Yeah.
But I would automatically when you're a promoter, you need to have sound.
Shy kick, ne? And then now organizer dealings list. But ufuna umuntu odila ngazo zonke into lezi maybe lesikumuntu odila ngesound ama lights konke or bekunomuntu odila ngokuthi okay for my lights I'm only going to go for this guy for sound just low.
It's simpler and cheaper when you go to one company.
Okay.
You see that production is a guy and they give you everything.
But uba sure kangakanani ukuthi bazodeliver because it doesn't risk.
Obvious angithi awuye ebantwini. Normally what I do, man,
yeah.
Okay, ngispansana no Dino kakhulu. Like I'd say we a package.
All right.
So udino ngi-26 ngiyi-1.
All right.
Joro berekisa mama.
Okay.
Nalibaba ngikhipha boningo kayikayika siwa check.
Yeah.
Siwa check.
Okay.
And then obviously mina ispansa sakho ngiqala ukusibona kuDino.
Okay.
Okay. Ayi.
All right.
Ispansa sakhe sikrem. And then so mara mawuphutha le emretela it's typing same time. You understand?
Ama corporate gigs vana ngawacabanga or vana ngababhizi ube part of one.
Like being booked in corporate gigs or making corporate
like
gigs.
organize my corporate gigs.
I haven't. No. Obviously, I call now where you get booked with okay suppliers with what as Fortune's Productions. We do that. Yeah, we do them as well.
So when you angazibuza ukuthi okay, so now shama event like are you forced to ube ne venue ukuze ukhona ukwenza profit ube sharp or it's better just hire abantu kuphela for your annual events nje kuphela?
Kuba ne venue.
Yeah.
Remember, it's not your specialty.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Having a venue is not your specialty. Specialty are kwenza ama event. Kokuqala, you have to have a proper venue. How are you going to have a proper venue whereby lento le awuyazi?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Imagine me ngisusa all white this type thing.
Yeah.
It was a hassle ukuthi ngiyisuse this type thing ngiyisave emvunisi. It was a very tricky move
because we are this type
thing, you understand? Mase isusa.
Yeah.
This type thing sisemvunisi. It was weird.
Yeah.
Sathukanyana.
But then by follower, I'm assuming vela from abantu first time from Ghana. Is it because of ngoba amakiko washayile before aba impressive and babona ukuthi okay obviously not disappoint?
Yeah, I think so. Because remember all right, the Kalentunzin, right?
Yeah.
And then the space became smaller.
Yeah.
We had to go to this type thing. This type thing Kunza, I can't remember what happened this type thing. The reason why we went to Mvunis.
There was a time, I'm not sure was it the same year or as the day before I go at Kuala too much. There's been the same weekend event I three like us. I'm not been zone Tunzi, the stadium, but when my events
that was the last one.
That one.
In Tunzi.
Yeah. Because people go ahead, I was like, yo, what going so go white. Like going at my pale, I'm sure like yo. Okay, so from that, from that one movie, like it's type saying, your car, like this type of saying, being a tourism, that's could be very like now, okay, Pedro Sulim Tunzi, it's just a very out. Now it's coming, it's type of saying,
I wouldn't say into silly because remember, Bestotuksua was a TR.
All right, yeah.
I was part of the plenary team.
Yeah.
As a TR.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
2017. So just 5 months later, it was ready.
Yeah.
So among 2017, I was like, let me go for it. Obviously, Zubana challenges Lapiana.
Especially for the first two.
Yeah, I understand. I was like, tingy. But in Zagana, it was not that big.
Yeah.
I think we had at least 7,000 people, 7,000 plus people.
Yeah. Well, 7,000 one never, that's a lot.
It took 2024.
Yeah.
I had 18,000 people. It's the same. So,
well, it's not the one number case per much. Yes.
So it was, so it was my 7,000, because I remember 10 as I see 10.
There are so many things on that day. So many things. Too much. Now, who's controlling things and how do you make sure that you don't get to fire?
At first, each of them be year. At first, each of them be you to fingers I won't get into you. And that's where I dropped the ball. Whereby it's into Zagalio, it's into Capeta.
Yeah.
But now we got a proper solid team.
Right.
We've got a project manager who manages the whole project.
Yeah.
So me now, I sing I understand.
Yeah.
You've got someone who's gonna book your artist, your local artist. You've got someone who's gonna deal with production. It's a proper team.
It's bigger than you, Koreman.
No, it's no longer a fortune, man. I understand. Yeah. You've got a proper team. I understand. Though, my mistake, man.
Yeah.
No. And my mistake, Alunga. We born a little mistake with this and it's flopera.
That's what I feel because that's why there's going to have a jump every year. What's up with every year? You know, in the giving twin.
No, man. Shoes, people must understand. Okay. What's happening? I've managed to get a few sponsors on board.
Yeah.
My events, ne? And now here you get, I don't want to mention names, they're not paying us. So here's a brand, says, Chief, we want to come on board.
Yeah.
We want to give you 500,000.
Yeah.
But the cooler bag issue.
Ish.
You understand? We don't want any brands. We want our brands only.
Yeah.
On your event.
Yeah.
You understand? What are you going to do?
Yeah.
You understand? Baka exclusivity. There's something called exclusive. Baka exclusivity. We're going to give you anything that you want.
Yeah.
Maradas,
yeah.
You understand? So, it's like we want to take our events to the next level.
Yeah.
But it feels like our people are not ready for the next level yet.
Okay. Yeah.
Because getting sponsors is my brother.
And that's another thing ngifuna ukuthi ikhulume because baningi abafana abacala ama-gig bayenzani. I'm sure ba inspire strong every time nabona irereng i-flyer yakho igcwele ngama-logo kaso.
We understand, and it's getting people. It took me 10 years. Chief, I've got people I know like Abashama event, but no one say bam sponsor one.
Yeah.
I understand. It took me 10 years to at least until 3-4 years.
Yeah.
You understand? Nakona ukala wabo.
Yeah.
They'll start by saying no, we'll come and activate.
Oh, okay.
But let's printing pen. And then when they come to the event and they see the numbers it's all about numbers at the end of the day.
But how did it feel like for them? Like the first time sponsor said, okay, it's prepared to go. Sharp, what color I don't think you might probably go. It was never fun with poor. But I'm sure it's difficult to search. But I know. So first time we told her check me and the amount now. Now is a blusa now to Opukana now. Like you have hated relationship, Yako, Nama artist, Nama DJ, Nama friends of young cars. Like the quality October, I'm like, hey, Skatsakona, the man, she says, very beginning, there was Zama kula bag, bakalanga logo, can't mean nani nugulena, why every year. So now, Sharp, first time now you get check you told. Feel like that day.
Yo, Vanna. Yeah. Any feeling, because tell you what, who search and do an event. Bro.
Yes.
It turns out 2.5 million in the event, bro.
You
understand?
The groundwork is pale and she like Lama Pena Law Tolisa one day killer.
On that alone, it's an easy 100,000.
Yes.
On banners and flyers. That alone. I'm not talking billboards.
Yeah.
Says about billboards, says about my controversial stickers they carry. You understand? You understand? You touch up, man.
Yeah.
They touch up, man. And Makati you got the 18.
The stage, when I want another on a stage, like now people stage, so I'm like, man, I want to spend my life for the stage.
Oh, by the way, I designed it.
Yes.
Listen much.
Yeah. Okay, look, can imagine no channel.
Yeah, no.
Meaning to the picture in fire.
Yeah,
no. I designed
it. So you understand, when you get a reliever, muntathi ngizokunikeza. And I love seen I loan. Muntathi ngizokunika so pro 7. All I want is my logo on the flyer.
Yeah.
I want that corner there.
Yeah.
How many square meters?
Yeah.
The corner.
Yeah. I understand. I'm sure you come and pay okay, men Sharp. Everything right. I'm an artist as a corner again. Like be a corner,
and remember, now there's all these complaints on the previous event on social media. Now you want to make sure with all those complaints are fixed on this one.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
You need to make sure so titisana navantu like everything they do will be right.
Because before that one, I think the previous year was the one lay bridge.
Yeah, before it was lay bridge, yeah.
Angazi ukuthi kwenzakala no social media angazi indaba lefike kanjani ukuthi bridge la ngara bibe kuyimvula bokuyini problem ngebridge bokuyini problem oh yakhawatha
yakhawatha but it was before my event.
But apparently when the plan one man or njani dewe ngizwe ngakhona dileng
bridge la collapse when collapse bridge we approached the public works to help us. Public works took their time. They did not do anything.
Yeah.
I ended up they know construction and Tupsani knows construction. You understand?
Yeah.
Like, no assistance in there.
Yeah.
Out of my own pocket.
Yes.
You know that thing.
Yeah.
sicasha matipara, sicasha excavator, everything.
Yeah.
Salenza lela bridge.
Yes. Directly every time the community just saw before event is ofika as affect my sales.
Yeah, affect.
Yeah.
Fucked up. But the good thing about it is yes, it will affect this year.
Yeah.
So I think it needs balls.
Yeah.
For this year, make sure this year,
yeah.
give it your all. Whether you win or lose, but give it your all.
Yeah.
So that Lonyagalo,
yeah.
Lozai.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not missing that thing.
Yeah.
I made a mistake.
Yeah, no.
That's what happened.
Yeah.
Ngale bridge, I spanang sharp. But the following one, it was.
Yeah. So, okay. Whatever last year.
You are lungis.
Yeah.
You understand?
No matter you flop, but make sure what labor last year.
Yeah, I pinned this year food. So you understand?
Another thing again I noticed, especially on my events, a few weeks before event, or even a month or two, Kuba, another way, like Kuba, the topics in Watala via another event, like, okay, sharp, okay, like Jane Kulapek, okay, as cool in Kulapek, okay, as cool maybe in my VIP is into so. Like when engagement, then I was what did that Leo, why is that because of about maybe complain, maybe or why wanna as your way, you would okay, maybe I am good. Engagement by and your couple sales.
Yeah, interaction.
Yeah.
Interacting with your customers and knowing what you are doing wrong, knowing what you are doing right.
Yeah.
You understand? Because at the end of the day, it's all about them, dog.
Yeah.
They are your biggest supporters. And the reason why all white icon, it's because of them.
But the Konanga to Bamba, especially when flopping money, abanye bangena ngisho banadala ngithaka ngazi angeke azangibona bangene bakuthule strong like
sibali mutakubize ngaphansi
like ayibona ukuthi ncane boy
ncane you understand ejo you just have to my brother you just uzoyenza kanjani umuntu avela timsuno wakho nangu umuntu madoda understand and there's nothing you can do but you must know one thing this guy believes in you so much that you must not make a mistake.
Oh yeah.
You understand? He believes in Fortune so much. Good to Fortune, Oxalai. He's capable of doing this thing. Fortune VIP, I can maybe right. He's capable. Because I'd go to other events, dog, ne? Mara mina shoot mina vatelela mina pay, understand? Why this and this and this and this? Mara if they go Fortune, they were gonna complain. But Ibu ye iti nigimi. They believe in you so much that you can do better. We know what you are capable for.
Because I think the more event the more we expect hate everything, whether hate or love me, times two.
And mina on social media, yes, in a hate parrot. But mina ngiboni nje hate.
More love.
Uthando ready. Uthando ready. And now we are finding the mistakes that happened on this previous one. It's all on me. Understand? It's all on me. And okay, I had no control over them. But
no, it's good. The good thing is that acknowledge you want to okay, lang flow and kulum. I think you does not ngile. One if we vote if we will an excuse.
No, you must not. You must not. Mara uyayibona mina ngiyacela ukuthi uza excuse kanjani because uyabona ukuthi
allow flow period
I understand. So what we did was remember there was an issue a convoy. And that previous one. 24. So now we pushed a lot into eliminating the convoy.
It doesn't let us buy. But I saw it because I'm waiting for the day we to organize event.
My brother. That's why I always say with Mina, I guess the last of jail. Dog. No way.
Even my awards. Like I'm live show. I mean about
my mistakes. You understand? Good my mistakes. And now my mistake. Let's fix and fix and fix. Let's fix and fix and fix. Because this thing it's gonna happen for the next 10 years.
Now, on the interest of Shama event, is it possible to do just my events full time. Your thing, vele, without anything else, like just full time as my events, survive.
Aye. If you read umuntu ukulamba for the next 5-10 years. Yeah. My brother. Like I told you, it needs balls.
Yeah. It feels like doing my events, if I'm not tender, which no longer tender, so maybe next time for my expense.
Sometimes you don't get money at all.
Yeah.
Like we are calling Puma minus 300,000.
Yes.
We have a color now you must explain to these people who say I'm spending a rent, but I'm gonna give you your money. You understand?
Yeah.
And sometimes because umuntu bona umuntu utafa uspanile
especially
masegcwele yabo but ama numbers wena bakutsheli kanjani. There was a point where my name was down there, dog, like I'm owing a lot of people. But that's why it needs love, it needs, because the corner would see shy all right, shy like drastically so pume vele sigu minus. Next week you keep flying the all plane.
Yes.
Imiri nguzut mara when you are sick ngene tasobona phambili.
Na bongaga like usadila na ding basakuthuka ngabo
kusahlanga. You understand? So life has to go on, dog. Isinkwa sami lesi. Isinkwa sami imoto yakhe ngachayisa manje. Mara bakubize Polokwane ukuthi uzoshoota. You make a plan. You understand, ne? So it's isinkwa sami la ding, and mina I believe ukuthi ngizalele yona la ding. Like mbana mawungangibona nje ngiplan event, I'm rolling, dog. I'm rolling plan ngizalele yona, so there's no way ukuthi ngayeka iflourish. But to someone who wants to my man, mina ngazi jo la ding ngathini mara la ding. Mina ngeke ubhekane nala ding.
No.
Especially mosaqala. La you won't.
Okay. The groundwork. I feel like a groundwork now shy event changile khona manje. But sometimes I get a feeling with when I prefer looking at the old school way.
Old school way, dog.
So don't you feel like you're a waster financially, especially usashaya flyer ne?
Flyers.
Flyers,
billboards, posters, banners, correct spots.
Vana ngawaro ufile ngathi maybe wasting you
TV.
Like usawakhipha endleleni for uthole maybe
remember social media, it's just a click of a button.
Okay.
Umuntu uyovela going. You understand? The next thing you get to like mina I feel like visibility is key, dog. Ngibone. Ngibone ngikunyanyise. You understand? Ngibone ngikunyanyise uthi uyajika ngapha bona alright, uyajika ngapha bona alright. You understand? Be there, like bonakala bro and
I've always been curious. Like nizona ngesikhathi ukuthi okay for the next 3 months uyobala or just if you just hope ukuthi ngeke keep up until the event.
Bathanda lezi zinto amajita and you get especially enhlekithi konke. Bagcine bayiloyela le poster yakho. Le stickers zakho. Basilwela like bazincane plan. Remember this thing is beautiful. Kuqala.
Kulama text lezi ahlala like.
Iyahlala iba yihle.
Even la sticker la kuma polo, especially kuma polo. Hayi kuma polo ahlala kamnandi.
So you must make them ukuthi zibukeke. Makayifakile emotweni yakhe. Naye ayithandi kahle, you understand.
So kuba like nemoto decide okay kunama trends ngibilesa ayithene so branda or maybe ngikhuluma nami ngiqala ngicheka ukuthi ubani ufuna ukuthi sibheke trends yakhe. Like
yabona njengaleya manje njengoba besenza icar full branding of cars. It was just the back yethu and then car. Everyone wanted the thing. And remember this thing is expensive.
So babona wena kahle kahle. And then from labadana.
But that's a fool. And then pelele iyadura phela.
Cabanga direct.
You understand? So now you end up doing for e-cars buy because of buy phone. Like,
but is it worth it?
That's I mean, I'm believing like you, bro.
No.
I'm believing like the ground.
No, it makes sense because as in the event lane, whether you funu kiyo or ufunu kiyo, but I feel like now it's cut uzoyibona.
Maybe you feel it, you understand. Maybe you feel it. Manje season all right, manje season you understand. You believe like ground. This thing of saying no, times are changing. With digital, yes, with digital on some things. But this one dog, it's something else. You should see the marketing I'm planning for this day. It's definitely on another level. Ground. You understand?
Was that not the same thing for All Black? Is it just for All Right? Ne?
All Right, yeah.
Okay.
The All Black, it's more of a lifestyle event. Right. That's why we changed it into just VIP.
Yeah, I won't like going to something sky. Now, when I'm against the stadium, I'm like, oh, during the year, hey, things bruise out now, sure. No, sure, because like I feel like it's good month of December, especially even about support I want to but back meanwhile. So now answer, let's cut this. Let's cut this.
No, what happened was because we had to shift it back. So the end of April. Yeah, we have to shift it back. So
not much even in somewhere much? Or what?
End of April.
No, end of April.
But because of the renovations that are happening in the stadium. So I couldn't find the proper venue.
No, the stadium. It's actually is cut because I know from Lamilu somewhere. AOT.
Yeah, I'm producing. Yeah, very decided. We need to go to studio, and luckily we had to do that to help us with the whole process.
And so say like no more plans. Look at more music or anything, or is it just DJ Apella for you?
Definitely. 20 years. I think it's 20 years this year. Yeah, we're planning on releasing an EP and making a huge event for it.
So should we just say mixer my piano and mixer the deep, mixer one?
Producing, I'm not gonna lie, it's only deep house. But playing, yes, it can be. Yeah, but then producing, it's only deep house.
What about
we're gonna writing step Afrotech, we're gonna
what about the new school, whatever piano? Isn't it like similar to deep house? Private school. Now.
Yeah, but it's still piano. It's still piano, but
so prefer deep,
it's under piano. That when we play is a crowd, Mara. The love is there.
All right. Last question. Future plans for Fortune's production. Now, as to Fortune, as you DJ, your future plans.
Yeah, no. Future plans for Fortune's Productions is to be the best production company in the country. That has the best event in January in the country.
Yes.
Future plans for Fortune is to make sure that Fortune's production works.
And as well. So, no, sure, thank you for I would like I said, I thought, if there's one person like us who attacks card with not Holy Forge, so let's not, it's in a jar. I would like, maybe sometimes I'm not quite sure we are fair song. I mean, tell us push like us. It's just that nobody says it was fun. I mean, but especially when I'm about to wait, maybe Scaluas, I don't know, whatever. I'm getting good from Dallas, it's pushing just by like us. So, like Nang Pega from Nalen Catlezo, from the time Nasaka, from Lausuga coin and now Fair coin. Now I'm chica like him to studio and not just me, but about machine. Papa, even though it is interesting, masters push a cast. but I know kunabanye banofila proud now mara lezi benginojika nazo ngayiso la ikazenza 123 lo sekenza ngaso lo gcwala isithabisini lo sekenzani direct le nawe waphusha kancane even nalento analizana yabona so no for mina bengithi just as a shout out for everything we hlanganisile and I hope ama future plans on now into zakho zizohlangana yabona. Yeah. And I won't lie, I'm proud for this by Sanganisile, and I like Nali friendship Leona and Method. I was worried about that, but you figure to a point where because every time I'm about two, about she's about two, men are going to cut about child who want about two. That's all.
Yeah, there's always. Isn't on your side, but if you overlook those things,
no, I'm gonna flop. So maybe I don't know, maybe another episode say one before All White.
Yeah, definitely I want that one.
Before All White or something. Then I don't know. That one feels over special for All White Street because I'm a section on the line.
Okay.
Ne, sure.
Creative Circles with K Forever.